I want to make this really interactive, right? So since some of you guys already have businesses or have some business ideas, I want to see who's brave enough to come up and talk about your business. Give us a little 30-second pitch. Is anybody brave enough to do that?
First thing I want to say about this is that I already full on planned this left to right. I already think about putting shows in it. I already think about putting products, everything about
a babysitting business, and I was thinking of making flyers and post them around my building complex. So
Omni Cleaning Business is a cleaning business that focuses on lawn mowing, house cleaning, and cleaning up in the city.
It's gonna be an animation type of studio where we make animation, because overall why I want to do this is because animation has been a big thing for me. And, I struggle with ADHD and drawing usually keeps my calm. So, just drawing, animating is gonna be a lifetime opportunity for me.